Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I just got the Drunk Elephant Dewy set for my girlfriend for Valentine's Day. And yeah, so this is what I got for her. So we're going to open this up, do a little unboxing review, and then we'll do a review about her review on it later on down the road in like a week or two, probably 2 weeks. You want to use this for it to get, to do a good test on it and stuff like that. What the hell is that? So to do a good test on it or whatever the case may be. So let's do an unboxing and see what goes on here. So you slide it out just like that. This is called the Polypeptide Kit. So that's kind of what it looks like up close. It's called the Polypeptide Kit. This is everything that it comes with. The Proteini, the the Proteini, B-Hydra, whatever all this other stuff is, Bamboo Booster, and everything else. So it comes with all that stuff, and pretty much that's what it looks like. And
a complimentary compact mirror.
Yep, and a complimentary compact mirror.
It's in the front of the package. You can't forget it. It's in the front of the package.
I know. They already saw it, though. I would think so. Because it's right there. It's on the front. So, all right. So we're going to open up this mirror first and see what it looks like. So we got the mirror that we opened up right here. It feels like a piece of shit, but it is cool. It still comes with a mirror, okay? It feels very lightweight, like it's a piece of crap, but what are you going to do? Here's what it looks like. Here's the mirror right there. Okay? That's what it looks like.
I guess one is magnifying and the other one is not.
Yes. Yes, one is magnifying, one is not. So that's what it comes with. So it comes with that. And then let's open up the rest of this. What does it slide out?
Yes.
Again? Oh. So the side comes off. Oh. Alright, so it slides out like that, opens up like this. That's what it looks like. That's the kit. That's the inside of the kit. Those are all the products. Holy crap, look how small this is for the price that you pay. Look at this thing. Look how small that is. So anyway, yeah.
But you get a full size of the...
Oh, you get a full size of this. That's what they said was the best deal, was because this had the Proteini, and this alone was like $60-something for this thing. It was like $65 for this. So they said this was a good deal because this comes with the full one. The other ones come with the mini ones. So anyway, so yeah, it comes with that in there. We'll take out this one. This is the Retinol Cream. Okay, you gotta read obviously how to use all this stuff because you don't want to waste your money and then not use it properly. That's kind of stupid. This is the Bamboo Booster. I don't know where you use that. Then we got salami maker here. Salami makeup. It says something about salami on there. B-Hydra Intensive. That's on there too. So that's what it looks like. That's what it comes in. This is a little cool box that you probably paid like $20 for. And that's kind of what it looks like. So, and then these are all the creams. So we're going to do a review later on in 2 weeks. And we're going to see how well they work for her with her skin and stuff like that, and if it's worth the money or if you think it's worth the money to spend on this kind of stuff. Alright, so thank you for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I put up other reviews about all kinds of stuff that I get to help you guys out in the community. And that's about it. Everyone be safe. Enjoy. Bye-bye.